PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Step around and loop the ball backward. The ball is coming back. This is a underspin serve. What about the non-spinning ones? Will it come back? This ball won't come back. Your current stance, including your grip, I mimic everything you do. Then after you serve the ball down, look for the downward friction at the bottom of the ball. After serving, do a downward loop motion. Watch the friction. Loop downward. Utilize the deceptive downward loop motion. You can then serve. Look at the lack of spin. I'll serve with spin first. Looping backward with spin. Did the ball come back? It's back. Take another look. Looping backward. The ball returns. This is spinning. What about the non-spins? While you're forward frictioning, you're not actually doing friction. This is a deceptive move. Turn the backward loop into a real move. Use the backward loop motion to push the ball out. Has it turned into a non-spin now? Will it come back? This ball won't come back. Right? Come over here. Get closer to watch carefully. Take a close look. Did the fake one come back? When it returns, should I friction first, then loop backward? This is the fake move, see? The ball is back. What if it's a non-spin? If it goes out, it won't come back. Why is that? Because of my front move. It's actually a fake move, looping back. That's real. No more spin, right? Let's look at one more. This one. Why is it spinning? First touch the bottom of the ball. Friction forward. Friction completed. Did the deceptive move. No spin. This is fake. This is real. Try it out. Wow, that had a lot of spin. Let's try one without spin. Wow, smart. Here comes a spinny one. Alright, good job. Stay still. Did you see that? It had some rotation. Let's try one without spin. Wow, this one almost got me on the sand. This one had no spin, right? You've already learned how to do spin. I was about to reveal a secret, but couldn't reveal it after all. What kind of spin was that? Let's try one without spin. Wow, beautiful, smart, although your spin wasn't like mine. Come back immediately. That's because your wrist strength isn't there yet. This is the first one. It's thicker with friction than mine. You don't have as thin a bat like mine because you're afraid of making mistakes. So, when you serve, it didn't fully come back, but it was a topspin ball. Completely no spin, correct? Right, come on. This topspin is fantastic. This didn't have enough spin. It's possible, but what about this? When facing a lower skill level opponent, they might struggle with it. It becomes easier to anticipate, right, isn't it? Oh, beautiful. This serve floated nicely. Isn't this one lacking spin? This serve floated a bit. Okay. If this doesn't spin, try a spinny one next. Wow, that went beyond my expectations. That spin was beautiful. Let's come back and try again. Spinny, Let's try another spinny one. Relax, be bold, and make that cut. Don't use too much force. Look at my spinny serve. My spinny serve didn't use much strength. Sorry, my spinny serve didn't use excessive force. Did I use too much force for the spin? Be agile and relaxed. Coming back, right? Isn't it a skillful return? You used too much force, didn't you? Look at my serve without spin. Floating. This one didn't spin. Wasn't it actually him who went out? This one lacked spin, right? How about a spinning one? Add a fake gesture, right? This doesn't spin, and it's a fake one. Floating. Let's finish with a few serves. Softer, huh? Being nimble is good. This spin is very good. Not spinning is acceptable, but this one is too obvious. Only fools can be fooled. You can't fool smart people. Isn't that right? This one is a bit too aggressive. Ah, okay. This one is gentle. It's okay, this one spins, right? Let's try one without spin. Wow, impressive. Not spinning is okay. The last spin. Support with your left foot in front. Relax your upper body. Then toss the ball. When it drops, hit the ball. Focus on the outer side of the ball. Just give it a little tap. You don't need to use force instantly. It starts with relaxation, from this distance to this point. The sudden burst of power. Just like when I hit you, look. Do you understand the burst of power at that moment? Should you relax or start using your arm strength? My fist is relaxed when held here. You start using sudden power. Keep going until you're done. The serve works the same way. You can't use force instantly. Right, it's about relaxation. From your preparation to hitting the ball. The forehand flick has a key point. Don't circle from the outside in. Just mentioning the flick doesn't mean circling. Circling actually reduces spin. He used a forehand flick. Just aim for the outer edge of the ball. Give it a tap, that's all you need. Just tap it. Do you understand? It's all about the right amount of power. A slight tap will increase the spin. What's the difference between tapping here and tapping there? Take a look. What kind of spin is it? Backspin. This one is topspin. It's that simple. So, the forehand flick is not complicated. Sometimes simplicity is the key. Look, a simple tap. The strongest force comes from here, you see? This is where the power lies. It's losing power. It's just circling. It will definitely bounce high. This chop is back and down. He's moving from back up to front down. Slightly higher. See, back up and front down is not vertical. Start slightly higher. Lower the racket when contacting from back up to front down. His positioning already finds the outer edge. Right, that's enough. This is what a forehand flick is. Forehand flick doesn't need to circle. No need. Do you understand? It's done. Did you see that? It's over. That kind of feeling. That relaxation. Ah, relax. It's over. Watch. Relax. It's over. Have you ever seen any of my shots like this? If it goes inside the table first. Many people circle their forehand flick, thinking that's it. I can do a fake motion. This is deceiving. This is a side spin. I finished the point. Look at this fake motion. Is this side spin? Watch how it can still be lifted after chopping. Chop and lift it up. So, this is real. In fact, I faked it and only touched the ball lightly. Mine is a fake. Do you understand? Toss it up. There is no fake motion in this touch. This is side spin on the bottom. What about side spin on the top? Look. There is no fake motion, right? Just touched it lightly. Yes, it's side spin on top. After the ball is hit, the racket face should make them think it's underspin. Do you see it? Slow it down a bit. I'll speed it up. Watch it in a sequence. Any fake motion? No. Add a fake motion. Let's do it again. Drop shot spin, right? Any fake motion? None. Do you understand? Good.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.